Good morning, everyone. Okay, today I would like to talk about capacitors. Somebody was mentioning and saying that it is very good to buy them from sources like eBay, AliExpress, actually, and I have decided to buy one set. Those are 4 volts, as you can see, and I have checked actually those already, but I would like to share my experience with those. So there I have 2 testers. This one is with custom firmware, and this one with I think Chinese ones. Okay, so what values do we have right here? We have 47 microfarads, 100 microfarads, and 220. Okay, so let's start with 47. And let's see. Okay, it's a capacitor. That's a good start. But look at that. ESR is 80, almost 84 ohms. So basically this capacitor is a resistor. Let's try the same capacitor to test with this tester also. And what do we have? No, it is detecting those. This capacitor is a diode. Some kind of diode. So you can see what is the quality actually. And I'm using, for example, for my repairs, Panasonic ones. So this is example. Let's check what parameters do we have for known capacitor like Panasonic. Okay, and we have 7.13, but nowhere near to 84 ohms. So this capacitor is okay. Also, we can check this with this tester also. As you can see, it shows that it is capacitor and ESR. Okay. And those I'm buying from known actually distributor. I think it was Mauser or DigiKey, I do not remember, but those 2 distributors are okay to use. Second one from China, actually from AliExpress, and when we're talking about the price, those capacitors were very cheap. But we will see. Let's check with this one. Okay, 25 ohms. Yes, so ESR is very big. I would also not recommend to use them. Diodes. So you see what is the quality of 100s, and for the reference I have also Panasonic ones. And let's check those. what do we have right here? Okay. And as you can see, it's not even 1 ohm, yeah. And this one, let's try with this tester also. Okay. So as you can see, this is what you get for actually a bit bigger price, but you know that this is a quality product and not some junk that you will have to replace actually in the very near future. Actually, I would not even recommend to use those 47 ohms, 47 microfarad capacitors, but let's check. There is also those 220 microfarad ones. What about them? Okay, those are actually kind of so, yeah. Let's check that also with this. Tester. And okay. So, but these are kind of so, but I would also not use them because who checks that quality of those? For the reference also, I have here Panasonic ones, Panasonic branded capacitor, yeah. And what do we have? Okay, 0.69, yeah. ESR. And what about this tester? What we have here? Also low value regarding ESR. So now you can see, and if you ask me what I will do with those capacitors, or where they go, straight to the bin. So this is it. Don't buy those cheap Chinese capacitors. I'm not saying that Chinese manufacturing everything is wrong or not quality products, but regarding those surface mount capacitors, they do not pass quality tests, yeah. So do not use them. Buy those capacitors from known distributors like DigiKey or Mauser, and in this case your players or your devices would work as intended, yeah. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.